Christmas, we just moved the table so we could do our stuff. And every Christmas, we move the table. So, it is fantastic. In case you want to do it, come over here.
Jay, can you sit on the floor somewhere?
Oh, okay. We're going to do the holy.
Over here. Over here.
Oh, boy.
I'm out of my
Never
dream.
done that before.
Okay.
My grandma is always cleaning
Alright, Jay, you're in the middle. Listen,
moving
no
stuff.
sugar high.
Just like that.
Okay? Okay, no sugar.
And Jaden is just wild. Got it? So don't go near him unless he's calm. What, Mommy? Where's yours?
Okay. Nothing.
Here we go.
Baby first. Okay.
Babies.
Baby first.
What? Baby hammer.
Baby spoons. Baby binkies.
Baby pink.
Would you like a binky?
No, I'm fine.
Ooh. Shampoo?
Well, babies.
Yes.
And
Awesome.
that's it.
Good.
More time. Okay, Jaden. What do you
You
have?
want to sit on the floor and open it?
Oh, a toothbrush. Toothbrush? Yes, it does. Ooh,
Okay, then put your name
razor.
on. Yeah.
Ooh, scissor. What's that? That's the baby's name.
What's your
Ooh,
record,
Legos.
Ooh, Legos.
That's mine. Wee. Ooh, look at this.
What is it?
And I have no idea what this is, but
So,
soap, a helicopter
Looks like a
soap.
helicopter.
Who's my razor? I'm gonna play with it right now.
No.
Jay,
Jay, come back.
you can sit
There's
over
something
there and
else
play
in
with
here,
it on the
Jay.
floor. We're not going upstairs though.
There, I think
Oh, that's right.
it.
There was 2 shiny pennies in there, bottom.
Two shiny pins.
2 shiny pennies.
Okay, that's it. Now it's my turn.
Okay.
I got. You're lucky. Another toothbrush. Look at them.
I
They're
know.
lucky.
I know.
You
They're
can
lucky.
have this.
Well, you know what, Grandpa? Especially for you.
Another rock
Maybe Mommy
stuffing.
has a special place you can keep them.
What? Can you keep this safe for me? Soap. Exactly.
You're not even on the camera. I'm over here.
A bouncy ball. Boing, bounce, bounce. Another erasers. Floss.
Shiny pennies?
Another toothbrush.
Another toothbrush. You need to brush twice.
That's right. She gets 2
Paper.
toothbrushes.
Whatever this is. That's from a tattoo.
Oh, that was supposed to be a tattoo. Did it
A
fall out?
tattoo.
There it is. That's the wrapper around the tattoo.
What kind of tattoo?
Doggy.
Jay, why don't you come
Jay?
to doggy?
Jay, can I see your soap?
And 2 shiny pennies.
And 2 shiny pennies.
That's it for me.
Cool.
Good stuff for you too.
Can I open my erasers?
No.
What are you gonna do with them?
No.
Actually,
Make a pile.
can I open this
Just
one?
make a pile of your stuff.
Yes.
Okay, so you want those to go upstairs. Okay.
Okay.
Take them out next.
And now it's time for playing. Mommy stocking. No, not playing.
Instructions.
You
Why,
have
why are you opening mine?
a toothbrush.
Why are you opening mommy's?
Hey,
Yeah, I tell you, you can put your stuff in an actual pile somewhere. You can put all your
Organize
presents.
it.
You
Oh,
gonna- are
this
you
is
gonna-
what she was talking about. This is the one that Grandma had double and we were missing?
uh-huh.
Awesome. I was like, what are you talking about?
My
Okay,
grandma
go
has
get-
a whole set
go
of
get
Christmas
Daddy's.
stuff. Is that it, Mommy?
Do I get shiny pennies too?
No. No shiny pennies for you.
Down.
She got 2 pennies.
I want a toothbrush.
Well, how are your brushing habits? You may not,
Twice a day. Every
Daddy
day.
you
is
may not be
such a
entitled for
boy.
a toothbrush.
Daddy is such a boy and
Alright,
he loves
Soft.
Legos
Medium.
I got
and
some.
Transformers.
Legos?
They looked up.
Ooh. The lanyard. Pink head.
Ah.
Lanyard.
Who's older next, Grandma or Papa?
Ooh.
Oh, that's a good one.
Wonder
I
what
don't
it is.
get this.
Catch it. Maybe it's a lottery ticket.
Thank
I don't get
Cool.
this. Can you help me? Okay.
I'm next. Do I open the stocking or the bag?
That's yours. Which is the something?
Taylor wrapped it very carefully.
Cool. A new book
A
for
toothbrush,
sharing.
A toothbrush looks like
I
that.
don't know how that couldn't fit in the stocking. That's like a real present.
How did that fit in?
Where did, oh, here we go.
Oh yeah.
Thank you.
Oh, David, Lego guy has
No.
a guy with it?
Mine is a special
Oh,
kind of
it's a card.
toothbrush.
Oh,
Really?
what are you doing?
I don't get it on this present. I
I
don't
got
get
presents in my
Okay.
stocking.
What's the next one?
that.
Wait,
That
I
one
need to
I
one and
don't
two.
Oh my. Lego on the floor.
You'll keep him busy.
What's the first one?
From
Keep
Jaden.
going, seriously.
That's from Jaden. But how about that one? Oh, it's from
The
this.
shoe,
Yeah.
it's a
It's that way.
Exactly.
shoehorn.
I get it.
Oh my goodness, it's a giraffe.
It's a beautiful giraffe.
Wow.
Hang it
Wow.
on the tree.
Yeah, I
Wow.
like that.
I'll go hang it on the tree.
Tree or window or wherever.
Well, I got lots of stuff in here.
This one on the side.
And this one's from Taylor.
Now we need a drive.
Butterflies.
Pretty.
Here.
And the butterflies on tree.
So this.
You can figure out that.
Dad, you wrapped it really good this year.
That was Taylor.
I saw some others too.
That was,
Ah, just what I needed.
Who's it from?
I think it's from Grandpa.
To Grandma from Marsha.
From Grandpa.
No, from Mommy.
oh,
Is it a memory stick?
Yeah,
Yes.
3 of them. Yeah, 3 flash drives.
Oh, flash drive. Cool.
From Mommy.
They're not
You just picked random people to write on your cards, Taylor?
from Santa. But I know Grandpa gives things in this kind of wrapping paper, so. Oh my goodness, look at that. Pens.
Are they the blue and white things?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Souvenir
Nothing
pens
else.
from Holland.
Nothing else.
Don't show me pens in mine.
Grandpa.
Cool, cool, cool.
Look at the wheels on, buddy.
Oh, and I need a brush too. I need one. Yes, I do.
Taylor, don't open everyone's
The
stocking.
wheels. See the wheels. New tires.
Taylor, can I see your soap?
I'm not a ballerina though.
You're not?
I was a ballerina, but not now.
Very, very pretty bag.
Huh?
Look at all that. From Grandpa, from Jane. Well, there's something inside of it. I thought it was just the bag. The bag was so nicely done.
In wrapping paper.
Yeah, yeah. What do you think this could be?
Another thing,
Another thing?
like grabbers.
Ooh, look at all those decorations. Wow.
Oh, very
A
cool.
ticket.
It's a turtle. A pretty green turtle. From you, Jay.
Wow.
There's something else in here.
Hang that on the tree too somewhere?
She's getting awfully colorful now.
Oh, there's another one. Another turtle.
Grandma?
From Taylor. Beautiful. It's a beautiful turtle. There's still some golf balls in here. Yes, it's an ornament.
Aw.
With
Look
some hot
at
golf.
that. It's a snowman.
Okay. Where's the head?
That goes on the tree too.
How
Good thing Grandpa has his own trees, he has two of his own trees.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I'll put it on your.
And 66
She
fingers.
knew all of that.
Can I put it on the
Cool.
Star Trek tree?
Yes. Yes, you may, dear. Cool.
What are these coasters?
They're coasters.
Yeah.
And the orange.
And the orange thing, yeah, let
I'm
me
sure
have
I
that.
kept coming
Gonna
back.
disappear.
I think I'm done.
Time to go eat.
All right, good job. I don't think Tony and Jaden can eat, they're too busy.
Are you serious? Oh,
Yeah.
what a dress! Mommy!
Ooh.
Ew, look at all my stuff.
Open it up all the way, Jay.
Party fairies?
Put it down.
Oh, party fairies! Awesome, I love I got clothes,
I like that. Are you serious?
But what kind of clothes?
Jessie! Okay, I got a bed. Nothing in here.
Nothing in there.
Ooh, a Paul Frank
Alright.
spread.
So
Look at all the
sheets,
things.
sheets, pajamas,
Let me
bathrobe.
Let me see your books.
It's all party fairies.
All
Now
this
let's
stuff
open
that you
it.
can
Okay.
bring on
Something
your
to play
sleepover.
with. Something to sleep with.
So this
Put it
is,
with
we'll
eye.
just pack these. These will be what you can have at grandma's on the baby
Open
for.
this, open this.
That's right, and I may need some sheets, not necessarily those, but, you know, some other ones.
Taylor, can I see all your cool clothes?
Okay, here's all of them.
Jay, did you see what's on the front of your pajamas? Those
Oh,
are pajamas.
Taylor, polka dot bathrobe.
Jaden,
Show mommy what kind of bathrobe you have.
Taylor, wait just a second.
look at my bathroom.
Camo.
Ooh, camouflage.
You don't have a bathrobe. This is your first bathrobe.
Come here, let's put it on.
No, I didn't take Tubby yet.
There's
Jaden,
something on the front of your
To
pajamas.
Grandma.
There's a picture.
Oh,
Taylor, I've already got stuff. So
Taylor,
slow
let's
down.
finish these ones, love. Ooh,
Yay!
Taylor, fancy
to
pajamas.
Jaden from Grandma and Grandpa.
Taylor, remember what I said about everybody needs to have their one thing first.
Sorry.
Here you go, Jay, try it on now.
To
Looks like it's pretty nice and warm.
Next year, I'm gonna get you a
Jaden.
pink
To
bunny
Grandma.
onesie.
You mean Grandpa. To
Tied in the
Grandpa.
middle.
How are you gonna tie it, dear?
On the inside.
Grandpa.
Okay, Taylor, pause.
Yes.
To who? Do you have two presents? You have Daddy didn't get any presents.
There, Jay, let's tie your jacket on.
He goes,
Wow.
hey,
A lot of
to
times that one's for
Grandma.
both of
There,
us.
Jay.
To
tie it
Grandma.
Oh, okay.
Okay, you know, everybody needs to stop.
on. We got 20.
Stop, because I already have two
There,
presents.
Jay, try this on.
Grandpa
Taylor,
has two
remember what the
presents.
rule is?
Jaden has two presents.
One
One
present.
at a time.
One present at a time.
We don't need to make a huge pile.
What's your problem, Jay? You don't wanna put it on?
Don't wear it with clothes. That's all right.
Okay, Jay, go take a tummy.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Why?
Because.
Taylor, move the scissors, please.
Because I didn't finish do my job.
Oh, you didn't finish your job?
To who?
Oh, Toy Story sheet. I didn't even see your stuff, Jay.
Taylor, this is mine. I only have. I got two presents, two presents, two presents, two presents.
Jay,
Cool.
stay away from there. Come on, you already got your one present over here.
Jay, you have two presents right here waiting. We're supposed to be opening the ones from Kevin and Jerry.
Taylor, you have one right
Okay,
there.
come on, let's go.
Open, open, open.
Sit down.
And did the lip glider ones come over?
Open, open, open.
What?
They didn't.
Were they under there too?
They're underneath the other tree.
Oh, the other? No, I only had her do the ones from that one tree.
The what? The
I guess there's another tree with other presents under it.
where?
The
Over
pool
there.
tree.
I didn't even see it.
You gonna need a scissors for that, Taylor, or you got it?
They're fun.
I can't do it.
Yeah. Grandma's got scissors.
Scissors. Scissors!
No, you don't need the scissors. Sit.
I need scissors.
Gently.
Put a little glitter here.
I don't know what this is. Okay, I definitely need scissors.
That one, your mother has it.
Awesome. What is it? This looks like something girly.
Girly, can I have it Carrie.
Singamajig, it says.
Hey, I know the thing
I've
with jiggers.
seen those thingamajigs.
Yeah, they just sing. Collect all of them.
Ah.
Collect all of them.
There's 4.
Another
Look at.
award-winning game.
Ow! Okay, I bet I have a thingamajig. Put your finger in there. Ah!
They both got a singamajig thing.
There you go, weekend projects for your Corvette.
Oh my gosh.
That's what you need, dear.
Weekend projects.
We can try this
Weekend
out on New
projects.
Year's.
Oh my goodness.
Well, we can try this out on New Year's.
Alright.
Oh, it's a partner game. Ah.
Interesting.
I know
So should we go get the ones from the look letters?
Press this and then the top open.
Taylor, do you want to help me get the
You have
other
to
ones?
match it. It's like
These are
that
rubber bands.
game show. Where you have to get them and they flip over the thing.
Who's this from?
I've seen
To
them.
Jaden from Grandpa and Grandma.
It's from you. I think I know. This is Legos. I knew it was Legos.
I think.
I knew it.
Come on.
I'm gonna do this right now.
Let me see. Wow, it's a log cabin Legos.
I want to be my little
Oh my goodness.
You're not 7 yet. You have to wait till you're 7.
do this.
No, you can do it, but we can't. This is too long to do right now. All the things you can make.
That.
That
Okay,
is
next
super
present.
You want to do the look letters packages next?
Okay,
Get those out of the way.
this is for mommy. Give me my thingamajig. Ah. To Grandma. Grandma, are you ready for this?
I
Look,
think I actually have
to Grandma. Me, Grandpa. Grandpa, I think this is yours.
Grandpa's might be breakable, Jay.
I hope not.
I think this is yours. What? It just
Jay.
It just said goodbye. I think it said goodbye to okay,
Little
Mama.
frames. One for each of them.
This is for you and me. Come on, let's do it. Wait, mommy, this is to me and Jaden.
Wow.
Something you have to share.
Presents to share.
Mama,
Don't they have 2 kids?
we need scissors.
Okay, bring it here.
Did you just hear it say goodbye?
Here, bring it here and I have the scissors. What? Wait.
This said good night or goodbye. Come on, Taylor. A cook set!
Ooh, that's cool.
A cook set! A kid's pizza kit. Okay. This is for both of us.
Put it in the box.
Alright, you guys have a job now.
What?
Any wrapping goes in that bag.
Doll, babe.
Or in his bag.
Wrapping paper goes in the bag.
Wow! Wow!
Wait, they sing together. Put them together.
Oh my goodness, they sing together.
Wait. So,
Come on.
Oh my darling. How do you put them together?
This is from the look letters. Yeah.
Put your
That's
finger
really cute.
inside.
Very cute.
Hey, it sings bells.
Can I see? Alright. Okay, press my hand to change them up. Harmony, number 1, they can sing together. 2, chatter, they speak jibber jabber. 3, or song, and they sing their own song. Song. Okay,
They're using their own unique song. They can sing together.
I know. So go to harmony. What she just said,
Who did for? Who did for? Who did for? Who's mine? Mine. Hey, hey.
She's gonna just sing her own song. Lift her hand to her
Oh,
song.
what is this?
Do it now.
Oh, look, a new baby. Look at this.
What is that?
This.
What is it? Easy telling time.
Oh, Jay, cool.
What is this?
It's some new workbooks for you.
Is it maker?
This one is how to tell time. Like, you know how to tell, like, if it's 5 o'clock or whatever? Yeah, so then it can teach you how to tell time. Yeah.
Who this for? Who this for?
Oh,
Finally, yours. This is heavy. What is it? Who's this for? To mommy. To mama.
Barnes and Noble.
Who's this little present for?
very good.
Wait.
Chunky mango relish,
And grandpa. To grandma.
pepper and onion
This,
relish.
Taylor, can I have a
grandpa,
chocolate
this
or
what you
pretzel?
and grandma
Pepper.
share.
Okay, thank you.
Or a peppermint thing.
What is this? Who is this
Put on
for?
the
Well, or we can save it.
table. Yeah.
I'll get back now. Yummy.
That's true, next week.
Yeah.
That's all, guys.
This is Grandpa's.
Well, he's,
Both sides.
He's got
well,
plenty.
this is for both of us. That's just for Grandpa. Okay.
Okay, guys, let's watch Grandma and Grandpa open theirs.
I just opened mine.
This one's to Grandma and Grandpa, and
Let's
Grandpa has
open that one.
This is to Grandma and Grandpa from Taylor.
Jaden, Pin, slow down. Put it back, please.
Go put it back. We're gonna watch. I want you to see what Grandma got.
Grandma and Grandpa.
Yeah.
There's a lot of tape on this package.
Did you wrap that?
Yes.
I'm having a hard time getting it to. Okay.
That's
Oh, yeah, this should be a big surprise.
To Grandma and Grandpa.
Oh, I love you, it says.
I love Grandpa. I love Grandma.
And I made the water blue with paint.
You put her paint in it.
I put it paint in it so it makes the water blue.
Cool.
Wow. And there's
Who's
tools
this?
on it.
Hey, Jay, I want you to find one that has your name on it. Just your name. So it's gonna say
I
to
don't know where we're
Jaden.
gonna put it, but right now I'll save it
Look,
so we can
that
kind of.
one's to Jaden!
Okay. I want you to open one that's yours.
Jaden! And this is for Taylor.
Yeah, it's yours from Grandpa. What is it, skis?
This is to Taylor from Grandma.
Okay, we have to open one for you guys.
Look at it! Awesome! Awesome!
Oh my.
Oh my.
Wait,
Crazy erasers.
Look on the
eraser!
other side, Taylor.
Awesome!
Let me take a picture.
Yeah, show Grandma. Oh my goodness.
Wow.
50 plus 12.
Collectible puzzle eraser.
What is this?
And that's a big raise, right?
It's a big Toblerone.
Yeah, can I see all of them?
Toblerone?
Is that a big thing at school?
Wait,
puzzle eraser?
come on.
Yeah.
Let me share with my other.
Look at it.
Is there a picture of you?
What is
I'll
this?
take a picture
Oh,
of it.
Grandpa's got
I
that.
don't know, Jay. I think it's skis.
I think it's a big Toblerone.
Okay, I got you further away here. Oh, baby.
I got a
Oh,
backflash.
can we open this package?
Yes, man.
Okay.
All right, I think we're
Ow.
okay.
Ow. Let me see, Taylor. Oh, my goodness.
Look at
And
this.
surprisingly, you really don't have. We have this set
Good.
and this set.
I-
But these are like individual.
All right.
Can someone open? Can you
I can
open
help.
this package?
I can try.
Wow.
Let's
So
see
you
what we
need to
got
have
here.
like a
Box.
box
Because I won't be able to fit all of these on my desk.
on her secret hiding place.
Let me on here.
On my
On
desk.
her desk. She's been storing it on her desk.
How about that? Now you can go.
What on it?
Go, boy.
What is?
Nothing.
I think it's
Taylor,
golf
Taylor,
club.
just hold on.
Whoa.
Watch out.
Watch it.
Ah!
Butter.
What do you do with it, Jay?
Careful. Careful.
Hit the
stop.
boat. Hit the
Putter.
Good.
Jay, it's a putter.
It's a powder, not a club.
Prayers are for.
Whoa.
Whoa!
Jay, remember you don't lift up the golf club higher than
I
your
think that's
knees.
for outside use
Leave it
only.
lower than your knees.
All right, outside use
I bought it a
only.
little
This is cool.
to grow into. Okay, put it over in the
Let me
box
see.
so you don't trip
Okay,
over it.
can we have it?
See.
Look at this.
Let me see.
For big boys.
Okay, let's
It's
see.
like you're gonna get a bat.
Here
Yeah.
comes the mommy. And then you, Daddy. And
I
then
put one down here too.
okay, then mommy, daddy, grandma, grandma.
You got bows anywhere?
No.
Yeah, throw them at Grandma. Hey, Taylor, do me a favor. Grab all the trash.
So you just got these boxes, but you can use them as mail them. You use them to wrap them.
It's cheaper if you don't. You
Taylor!
have your own box?
This is to you! Okay, then
How long
find the
does
one
it
that's
have it?
Jade,
Right.
that goes to
Time.
Jaden.
So I'm like,
Who is
box,
this?
box is free.
No.
Instead of having
Who
to buy it.
is this?
All right.
What is
Mama,
it?
try one next to you.
What is that?
This. Yes, that's exactly what I need.
Like a cooking utensil, like a whisk?
Now I can organize my top of my dresser.
Oh.
That one's not
Oh,
this one. Dude, this one.
it's like a little biscuit at the bottom.
Yes.
Specifically asked for one like that, and that's the only one I found that had that.
I know, I've only seen them for little kids.
Or you think she got
Awesome.
them at the junior section?
At Claire's.
This is mine.
Awesome.
Hey, guys, wait.
Hey, it's Grandma's turn to open one, and Tony's turn, Daddy's
Aw,
turn.
it's
No.
stickers.
We're waiting till everybody opens.
Yeah, because Daddy has to open his first.
And then us, and then you. And Grandma. Because you guys did it first.
We're just watching mommy open hers.
You
I
guys
already
did.
got mine.
Everybody likes to
I'm
open.
hoping it's a sweater.
The box is too good.
These are new ones, Mom. These stickers.
I know.
What do you think it is? What do you think it is, Mommy?
Ooh, softball stickers. That's what it is. Yeah.
Definitely.
Clothes.
The clothes. It's a Hard Rock shirt to go with my Hard Rock lanyard.
Awesome.
Okay, now let's see what Grandma did.
That's a cute design.
Pick up where you can start opening.
Is the markers big enough for you?
Yes.
Lucky.
Is that, what size is that?
Okay,
It's
Grandma,
extra large.
Grandpa, you can start
It's
opening.
100% cotton, so a little short.
How about that? After I need scissors.
Mom, thank you for the ink.
Where's the
You are
scissors? Start opening.
Right here. What do you need it for?
Beautiful.
Where?
Can you
What?
start opening now, Grandpa?
Okay, cut it very carefully.
Okay, sweetheart.
Kelly, you can, yeah, you can start opening now.
one more, like another sister or something. That's the best one I found.
Whoa, what's this?
That's already 4 months old.
A Route 66 sign, huh? Cool.
Taylor says I'm the big sister.
Look at this here.
What does it say on top?
Wow.
New big sister.
New big sister.
That's very nice. We better go on
I'm
this
a big
trip.
sister book.
What trip?
I'm a big sister book.
Oh, Taylor,
It's
cute.
Are you into driving thing?
Yeah.
A card. Mommy.
Kevin's got, now that Kevin's got
Oh,
it.
Taylor, that's perfect.
Thank you, dear. Beautiful.
Look at this card.
Route 66 sign.
Ooh, Taylor, can I see that?
A picture. Who's this from? A picture of me.
How about if I read the card to you?
A picture of
Your
me.
card says, Big brothers are awesome, big brothers are fun, and somebody just got a really cool one. To my big brother Jaden, with all of the big brother things that you'll do, that new baby's hero will be you. Love from your new baby sister.
Wow, she's already given you presents.
Your baby sister gave you a present. Where is your present? It's inside the box? Okay.
Oh, Taylor, this is nice.
But I don't know who this is
You
from.
need to read your card.
Awesome. I don't know where my card is.
It was
Awesome.
pink, in a pink envelope.
A girl thing.
No, it says, I'm a big brother.
Don't forget a picture you guys holding up to your shirts.
Yeah. Now this you guys can wear at the hospital, okay?
And a bookmark.
When you come visit.
That's kind of like something that you can wear and tell everybody you're the new big brother. So we need
This is
everybody,
from my baby sister, but really, who was it from?
your baby sister. Because you're supposed to write a book about you and your baby sister, and you're supposed to read the book and wear your shirts.
Who's it from? I'm serious.
Hold up your shirt.
Where's
Why, do you want to say thank
mine?
you?
Thank you, whoever it's from.
Grandma probably.
From
Hey, guys.
mommy, because she's making the baby sister.
Show me your shirts.
Yeah, see the shirts.
Hold
Jay,
them up.
get your shirt. Big brother shirt.
Big brother.
Okay,
Big
bring it over
sister.
here. Closer, closer. Closer, closer. Okay, freeze.
Oh, stop. You're too close.
Look at me. Silly.
Jay, yours
Okay.
just says big.
Turn it to me now.
Okay, look at Papa with them.
Turn to me, guys. I see the big sister, okay. And then I see the big. There's the big brother. Oh, and there's the big mommy too. Yeah, all three kids. Hey, I didn't see a picture yet. Wait. Wait a
Sorry, I
minute.
took one.
There, here. Jay, come here.
That was it, huh? I missed it.
Jay, come here.
Maybe they could hold up their books.
Come
Their
here.
books say my
Come
new
here.
baby and me.
I'm
Jaden,
looking for pens. That's mine.
hurry. One, come here. Come here.
Whoa.
Hello, everybody.
Don't get me.
Sorry.
There, just get the baby. There. Relax that.
Blink detector.
Is
Yeah,
it
they
yours,
were running.
Grandpa?
That's grandma.
I'm gonna blink.
More than a
Go
blink.
give it to grandma.
They were running away.
This is Grandma. Grandma, this is yours.
Honey knows grandma.
Mommy said.
Okay, you got this.
Yeah.
This one's fine. I know.
To Grandpa.
Isn't that a cool box? Free. I needed a box to wrap the book in.
Actually, you just
Turn it inside out. It's express mail.
Where's mine?
Got like $15 any size.
Oh,
Grand
there's
Reserve.
a special surprise back here. I
Nice.
think
I know. Now
this
you
is
can give to
yours.
grandma.
What?
That can't be yours. That's
That's
got
Thomas
Thomas
on
on it.
it too.
I know.
Grandma from Jaden.
That's why. Here, Grandma.
Oh.
Here.
Oh.
We have one real special surprise for you. Grandma, look back here.
Okay, hold on. How do I know who this is to?
It's to you.
Oh, it says $2,000.
Mom. See the bottom?
Ma.
I write your name.
Got it. You're writing it with scissors?
Ready, Grandma? Set.
All right. Oh my goodness. That one wasn't wrapped, huh?
Taylor. Who's this
Wow. Next year this one will go up
Yeah,
there.
that's right. Or over there too. We got multiple places for it.
Wow.
Grandpa, this is your present.
Thank you. gosh, it's your dad.
What the heck?
Grandpa.
I already got one.
Wow.
Who is this?
You know what this is already?
Nice.
That's pretty tricky.
Maybe it's a sweater.
This is a practice chair again.
A present to share?
That's creative. You come up
To
with
Daddy.
a wrapping
To
joke.
Daddy.
Everybody knows it's gonna be a sweater.
Hey, Corner Bakery, I like that place.
That my grandpa.
Look at
Yeah,
that.
Grandma doesn't like
Okay,
it.
we have too many these. Make a pile over
Taylor?
there.
Taylor, pause.
Well, thank you very much.
Yes, now we have 4 each.
This is for baby.
Okay, I need help with these.
Who's this for? No.
Ooh,
Okay, put
4.
babies over there.
Who's
Yeah.
this for? To grandma.
Oh, a bonus card.
No,
Oh, the
Taylor.
bonus card was for the person that bought the
This is
gift card.
grandma.
No, you can use it with that.
Whoa, this is
Hold on,
This one you
hold on,
have
pause.
to use right
It's a
next to
time.
it.
Oh, look at that.
Use that one.
Taylor, here, this is yours. Oh my gosh, let me see.
Thank you. That's cool. I love it.
Okay, Taylor, seriously.
You guys need to slow down.
Unroll these.
Taylor.
Put all these in the bag. Wait, James. Wait.
Go around, Taylor, think about the trash. Go.
Okay. Go put trash away first.
Pretty good, yeah.
Taylor, that's yours.
What?
That is yours, Taylor. I know.
All right, well,
Are you excited? Yes, I'm very excited.
this is to Grandma and Grandpa.
Ow.
This is to me from you.
Yeah, kind of.
What?
No, this is for Taylor. From Grandma and Grandpa. I can't wait.
All right, well, that's fine.
You don't even know what it is.
What
I'm not putting my finger on it now.
Awesome!
Yeah.
Oh.
What is that?
What is that?
Thank you, Grandma. Thank you, Grandpa.
What do you do here?
Yes, some projects are for here.
Oh.
Color clubhouse?
Oh, we did that last year.
Now that's good, because she just asked for that like 2 days ago.
Who's this for?
We already
Thank you,
saw
Grandma.
it.
Thank you, Grandma. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh, I know what this is.
Bed.
It's a sweater.
You want that sweater.
And
Instead of
this
that.
yours.
He's gonna be really disappointed.
I want one more of this chocolate.
Yes, but
Give me
you
something.
know what? I already have 4, Jay.
It's not
Give
for
me a
you,
Rice Krispie
Taylor.
Yes, it is. Look.
Leave them over there.
Really? Okay. That's for Taylor? The Lego creator?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a house.
Okay, just make it sure.
It's a boy.
Taylor can do Legos too, right?
Yeah.
Definitely.
He can make 2 houses out of this wood. Set. Wood.
Pretty, honey.
What's it?
How's this for?
That's too big expensive.
Oh, now I
Too
see.
big. 2 babies. Okay, the baby ones go over there right with that package.
Mr. Bagley, it's
Thank you, Grandma. Thank you, Grandpa.
Oh, that's so cute.
Ow!
Rice
Ah,
Krispie treat.
Oh.
this is Grandpa. Grandma.
What?
pull them out there.
Oh, that is.
Hey, look at that.
Neato.
2 M-O-N.
Mom.
Mom.
To
That's me.
Mommy!
That's great. That's me.
Now I get it. Mommy, Mom. Who's this for?
Yeah.
To Taylor. Oh,
Very nice.
Okay, trash, over here.
Put it in here, just work.
Hey.
Daddy! That's Daddy. Call him Dad.
Hey
Daddy!
guys, guys, slow down.
Is this yours?
Might be. No, it's for mommy.
Writing words. What do you guys say?
Oh, no, this is too tiring.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Honey.
Oh.
Alright, you play at your own risk, Jaden. Let's go.
Time to stop.
Game over.
Somebody is at the bottom of the pile. Okay, let's start gathering. Let's take everything home and load it. Get ready for bed.
Yeah. You would
That's the
help
big
him
heavy.
set up a
Hey,
little
Jay.
dinner.
Okay, watch out.
Jay, watch out.
Did you get the keys?
No?
Jaden. Jaden.
Okay, go. Let's see what I got. Let's see what I got. Bumblebee towel. Bumblebee towel.
Bumblebee blanket.
Bumblebee blanket. I got a calendar for 2010. Awesome! Okay, I got a calendar.
Cool, buddy.
Everybody. I got a calendar, everybody. Mommy and Daddy's turn. Your turn, Mommy. Trash can is right there, in the middle of the road.
Can I see what? Let me see, Jay. Let's see what's in here.
Okay. Well, that's where you and Daddy.
Will you make this at school?
Yeah.
Ooh.
Baby Jesus.
It's an ornament.
Baby Jesus
For
is my
baby.
favorite kind of Jesus.
That's where this came from. No,
I don't think so. All right, Jay, go hang it up on the tree.
that's where this came from.
Thank you, Jay.
Okay, now. Diaper.
Let's see what the kids got me. What did you guys get me?
Yep.
This is inappropriate.
From the kids.
It's always sunny in Philadelphia.
Okay, our turn.
I like whatever. You bought that before you saw it. By the way.
Baby alive! I told you someone got you baby alive. Baby alive! Yay, yay! I told you someone got you baby
Yeah,
alive.
that one's from Uncle Philip and Auntie Joyce.
Baby alive! Look it! Mommy, I got.
The
This is an
Transformer
even-
calendar.
Mommy, this is an even better baby alive. It has a bib, it has food, it has like diapers, it has band-aids, it has a drink, and it says squeeze my bracelet. And I have no idea what that does. Squeeze my bracelet. Oh well.
Okay, keep going.
We'll open it up later.
Look at this.
So let me see.
Awesome. Awesome. Come on.
Jay, I'm gonna see what else you made at school, okay?
Okay. Awesome! Awesome! I like this! It's not Transformer, but it's a yes game. It is something that I like. This.
The remote control car.
What is it?
I like this. Okay, I have no idea who it's from.
That's from Aunt Felicia and Aunt Rachel.
Yay!
Yeah, I'll see if it's the same or not.
Yeah.
Can you read it?
From Uncle Phil and Auntie Joy.
That's what Jay made.
A green candy cane. And a log.
That's from my school.
Advent calendar. And a Christmas tree. I mean, Advent wreath.
Alvin.
And this? Did you make this for me?
Wait, can I see that? Awesome Lego! A huge space circle with Lego! Lego!
Let me see.
Lego!
It's a
of Legos, Jay.
It's a racer one with the hover boats.
Taylor, who's that from?
It has an alligator in it, Jay.
My baby sister.
That was from your baby sister?
Cool. How could my baby sister? So because it's from you.
Okay, yes.
Because the baby's not here yet. Oh!
What is it?
Transformer DS game.
From whom?
Alicia and Rachel.
Awesome.
Awesome.
Who's this from?
Is it an ornament?
I don't know what this is.
What?
That's the ornament. What does it say?
I'm the big sister, Taylor. What's this? Ah, that's funny. It's Rudolph.
Jay, did you make that?
Yeah.
I think that was for us too. Can I see it?
Because look it. It says love Jaden.
Yeah. I mean, from Jaden. Let me see, buddy.
Okay,
From
it's
You can see.
Rudolph.
It's a reindeer.
Rudolph.
And... Aww.
Rudolph.
Look.
Rudolph the red-nosed Wait, shut up. Rudolph the red-nosed
Jay, I like it.
Motorcycle. Motorcycle. Just stopped from the song and went on to the present. Okay, I wonder what this is from you. Thank you, Mommy. Thank you, Daddy. A pillow pet. Oh. Yay. Motorcycle. I'm going to switch this from my pillow in my bed.
Weirdo.
Oh, Taylor, you made this ornament?
Here we go.
I like these ones.
Yay!
Let me see your pillow pal.
Pillow pet.
Ah.
Look at this! Wait, it's a box. I know that it's a big brother ornament thing. I think so. I really do.
Uh-oh.
It is. Because I got one in that.
What does it say on it, Jay?
Yep. I'm a big sister, Jaden. You mean I'm a big brother, Jaden?
Jaden, what does it say?
I'm a big brother, Jaden.
Yeah, here, let's hang it up. I'm going to hang up this one too.
Awesome. I
Taylor,
know
we
this
did
is.
that from.
Taylor, I already knew it's Congo Phil and Taylor, I know this is from you. Yes, that's correct. Because I knew, because it's the kanji pet. That's why. And look it, that's a hamster. Try me. Try me.
Daddy was get.
Kanji pet.
I didn't buy the Blu-ray. It was $20 more. I figured sometimes I buy Blu-ray and sometimes not.
The tiara. Because you're a princess.
Hey, pillow pet, would you like this instead of your antlers? Mama, look, the pillow pet wants this instead of its antlers. Hey, okay. Now to be the princess. Susie, what's on morning! Look at a moon! I wonder what she got you doing. I got a baby alive! That's for me. It has food. It has everything.
Does it look the same, Taylor? Is it like the same baby or is it a different face?
Hey, look! Where did it go? It talks. Banana. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Banana. Look what I got!
Cool.
That's all the presents I got.
Wow, Jay, you got a lot, buddy. You want to open your blanket? Let me see.
Good. Oh, God. That was good. That was good.
Jay, go give me a little scissor.
Yes, it is almost the same kind. I'm
Shay, put all your trash away, buddy.
Okay, I want to do this one. Mommy, I want to do this. I'm to open this. This is from Aunt Chrissy. I'm to open this.
Okay, I'm gonna open this. Let's see what it looks like.
I'm to open this.
What's that?
Friendship bracelets. Mommy, friendship bracelets.
Ooh. Jaden, look.
Bumblebee. Good. It's real.
Here you go. Wow.
Caught it. Taylor from Jaden. Wait, I need to see the present. Here, back to you, Mommy. Or Daddy. Okay, this is from Jaden. Let me see what you got me, Jaden. Yay! A toy something. Hey, a Jessie ornament. Yep, I got it, Jaden. This also. Hey, Mommy, look.
It's Jessie.
It's very light. I'm going to put it on my tree if I could get 3
triple
and 2 Delay.
Other way around.
But first, I'm going to put it on my tree right now.
I need 2 AA, 2
Daddy.
AAA, and 3 AA.
Dagger, Kia. Bye-bye. Hello. Whoa, okay, bye-bye. Hi.
Ooh, look.
I wonder what we do.
Every time we'll see you need a bit.
I wonder what we do.
I
What
know,
do we
next
do?
Halloween, yeah.
Can you open this?
Hold on.
Can you? What a mess.
Go get me batteries from the refrigerator.
Ooh,
Get batteries
pillow
first.
pet. Hey, I'll be right back. Kia.
Small one and the big one.
Oh my goodness, look at all these clothes.
Did you open that gifting?
No, not yet.
Can you go get batteries if you want to play with this? You want to play with one thing at a time.
I'm going to play this first.
I'm not going to open this for you.
Hi again. Mommy will. There's my pillow pet.
Okay, go over
There's
there.
my 2 baby alives.
Go over there and say Merry Christmas. Hey, Jaden.
Ho, ho, ho. Ho, 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 ho. She said, I'm all filled up.
Did you have a good Christmas, Taylor?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, sure. That's it.
Yeah. Okay.
Jay, how about you?